Exercise 12.2. This exercise is purely based on the distance formula. So distance formula திரும்ப போட்டுட்டே இருங்க. Practice பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தா you will not make mistakes with the sign. Okay. So question number 1. First subsection. 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1. So this is my x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So the distance formula will be z2 minus z1 the whole square, 1 minus 5 the whole square, plus 3 minus 3 the whole square, plus 4 minus 2 the whole square inside the square root. So what will I have? 1 minus 5, 4 square plus 0 square plus 2 square minus 4 square, but square panna the minus goes off. Okay. So I have 16 plus 0 plus 4, which is root 20. Root 20 every edala 5 times 4, which is 2 into 2. So this will be 2 root 5. Okay. So this is 2 root 5 units. Always write units. Second subsection. 2, 4, minus 1. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So what do I have? The distance equals z2 minus z1, which will be minus 1 minus 2 the whole square, plus 4 minus 7 the whole square, plus 2 minus of minus 3, which will be 2 plus 3 the whole square. So then I go, this be minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 the whole square, plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 the whole square, plus 2 plus 3, 5 square inside the square root. So then I go, minus 3 square is 9, plus 9 plus 25. So 25 plus 9 and 34. 34 plus 9 is 43. So root of 43 units. Third subsection. The points are minus 1, 3, minus 4 and 1, minus 3, 4. Okay. So the distance will be x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So z2 minus z1 the whole square, 4 minus of minus 4, which will be 4 plus 4 the whole square, plus minus 3 the whole square, plus 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 the whole square. So this will be square root of 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 square is 64, plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, minus 6 the whole square is 36, plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. 64 plus 36 is 100, 100 plus 4 is 104. So square root of 104 can also be written as prime factorization panna 2 5s are 2s are 2 2s are 2 6 are. So 2 square root I'll have 2 root 26 units. Okay. Fourth subsection. 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 and 3. So x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Okay. So the distance will be z2 minus z1 the whole square, 3 minus 3 the whole square, plus 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1 plus 1 the whole square, minus 2 the whole square, which is 0 plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 4, plus minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 the whole square is plus 16. So I have root of 20, root of 20, so I have 2 root 5 units. Question number 2, I have to show that the given points are collinear. So collinear, it is very similar to the example question. So I will name them as A, B and C. So the distance AB is root of Z2 minus Z1. Z2 minus Z1, 3 minus 5 the whole square, plus 2 minus 3 the whole square, plus 1 minus of minus 2, which is 1 plus 2 the whole square. So this will be my AB. BC and I go, BC na root of Z2 minus Z1, minus 1 minus 3 the whole square, plus 0 minus 2 the whole square, plus 7 minus 1 the whole square. So this will be my BC. What will be my AC? I have to look at these 2 points. So Z2 minus Z1 square root of minus 1 minus 5 the whole square, plus 0 minus 3 the whole square, plus 7 minus of minus 2. So 7 plus 2 the whole square. So this is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. Plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 square is 1. plus 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square is 9. So what will I have? 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So square root of 14. So either solve panna, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 the whole square, which will be 16, plus minus 2 the whole square, 4, plus 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 square is 36. So what will I have? 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 plus 16 is root 56. 56 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 8 into 7. So this can also be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So square root குள்ள இருந்ததுனா I can remove this 2. So I'll have 2 root 14. Again, minus 1 minus 5, which is minus 6 the whole square, 36, plus 0 minus 3 the whole square is 9, plus 7 plus 2, 9, 9 square, 81. So I'll have 81 plus 9 is 90, 90 plus 36 is 126. So square root of 126 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 126 prime factorization, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So 3 a common எடுத்தா I have 3 root 14. Okay. So what do I see? AB plus BC equals AC. Correct? So AB plus BC, which is equal to root 14 plus 2 root 14 equals 3 root 14, which is also equal to AC. So AB plus BC equals AC. Appa AB plus BC. So இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணா I'm getting AC. Correct? So this means they are collinear. So A, B, C are collinear. Okay, it is very similar to the example question.